Welcome, you made it to section 1.4, equations and inequalities. Alright, a couple key terms for this section. We have equation and solution. Alright, first, what is an equation? Equation is any expression that equals another expression. Okay, in other terms, we say that an equation is a statement found by placing an equal sign, alright, between two expressions. Alright, so we have an expression that equals another expression. Okay, so that is an equation. Equation, equal sign. Expression, that's an expression. An equation is this whole thing right here. Alright, solution. A solution, when we have a number that's replaced by the variable. Okay, a solution is when we know what our final answer is. Okay. Alright, so the number is the solution to the equation. So let's look at this. We have our equations, 4x equals 12. Alright, so what's the question is, alright, what times 4 equals 12? Well, the solution would be 3. X would equal 3. Alright, because 4 times 3 is 12. Alright. 8 equals what minus 2? Well, what minus 2 equals 8? Well, that's 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Alright. 3 plus what number equals 6? 3 plus what number equals 6? Well, 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Alright, and then the last one, what number divided by 4 equals 2? What number divided by 4 equals 2? Well, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Alright, so that's how equations and solutions work. Alright, so let's look at a word problem. You are buying a lunch from the store. At the store, a sandwich costs $3.99, chips cost $1.99, and a drink costs $1.49. There is no tax. You have $5. How much more money do you need? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to round up. Alright, we know that a sandwich costs $3.99, so we'll round that up to $4. Chips cost $1.99, so we'll round that up to 2. And a drink costs $1.49, so we'll round that up to 1.5. And then that's going to equal the amount of money we have plus the amount of money we need. Okay, so if we add what our cost is going to be, that should be 4 plus 2 plus 1.5 is 7.5. Well, what plus 5 equals 7.5? Well, that's 2.5. Alright, or $2.50 approximately. Alright, the other part to this section is inequalities. Alright, we have not only equals but inequalities. Okay, so we have our inequality symbols and what they mean, and I'll show you an example. Alright, the first symbol we have here is less than. So x is less than 3. The second symbol is greater than. Four is greater than 2. Let me show you another example for less than. Negative 2 is less than 0. Alright. Next one. Less than. Sorry about that. Less than or equal to. Alright. This little symbol right here represents or equal to. Alright. So 1 plus 4 is less than or equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. It's less than or equal to 5. Greater than or equal to is the next one. Ten is greater than or equal to 8 plus 2. All right. Solutions to inequalities. All right, so we're going to see if our solutions are correct. All right. If we have the value of 3 for x, I want to check to see if the solutions are possible for these inequalities. All right, so we're going to take this value of 3 and we're going to sub it in for x and see if it works. So we have 3 plus 3 is greater than 7. Well, that's false. 6 is not greater than 7. Well, let's plug in 3 for our next one. 2 times 3 minus 3 is less than or equal to 3. A lot of 3's. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 3 is less than or equal to 3. 3 is less than or equal to 3. That's true because 3 is equal to 3. All right, and we can have less than or equal to. All right, go ahead in this section and try out a couple problems.